Okay, guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called the Imperial Hotel and Convention Center Korat. It's located in Nakhon Ratchasima City, and it's considered 5 stars on Agoda, which I can't explain. There's no way this is a 5 star hotel, not in my opinion. It does have a very good rating 8.2 out of 10. That's really high, and it's more than 4,300 reviews. The bed, rather old, but very comfortable. I was quite impressed with it actually. And room, not renovated, not recently, but a very good room. I had no problem with it. Bathroom, really good. Shower was awesome actually. You know it's old when you see telephone next to the toilet. I paid 1,500 baht for this room back in April of 2023. Online right now, I can get the same room for about 1,000. It just, it depends on supply and demand, of course, with hotels. It's got a safe, mini bar, just coffee and tea making supplies, and 2 bottles of water, which they very kindly put in the fridge and was nice and cold. View from the room, I'll show you the same view in the nighttime. Right there in the middle of the screen is a pretty good size evening market. Tons of food there. That's where I ate. It's just down the road, easy to get to, walking distance even. There it is at night. Parking is also right below the window there. You can see lots of parking here. Customer service, I give customer service 5 out of 5. They were really friendly, really nice, never had any issues. Now, when I first saw this building as I was driving towards it, I'm thinking, oh my God, what have I done? It does not look very good at all on the outside. It actually looks way worse in person than it does on the video. It looks terrible. But inside the hotel looks really nice. Here it looks like a very old hospital, I think. Not a very welcoming place, that's for sure. Maybe in 1970 it would have been nice. The lobby is huge and really nice actually. Old but nice. I will put the Agoda link in the video description if you want to check out the availability and the price on your dates. Nakhon Ratchasima has a lot of hotels, that's for sure. You can also compare some other hotels in the area if you want to with that link. Breakfast is actually downstairs from the lobby and the swimming pool as well. Breakfast is served right here. Breakfast, the food was okay, but not nearly enough of it. There was people walking around constantly with empty plates and no food there available at all, waiting for somebody to bring food from the kitchen. There's the pool, really nice. I did not see anybody go outside and even look at the pool, but it seemed okay. And inside here is where breakfast is served. Breakfast was nothing special. If you're paying extra for it, I'd avoid it personally. I wouldn't get it again. Just not good enough. Not enough food. Uh, 20 or 30 people eating breakfast and they bring out 10 eggs, 10 fried eggs. That's it, kind of deal, you know. Not even any rice available. I don't know if it's always like that. It wasn't that busy and still not enough food. Seemed pretty bad. That's for sure. Getting to the $1 million question, would I stay here again? Absolutely. I was impressed with my room. It was nice. Uh, I think I could have got it a lot cheaper if I booked in advance, and I would not get the breakfast the next time. That's for sure. Not worth the expense, in my opinion. All right, guys, that is it. That is my review based on when I was there and nothing else. Old hotel, really old on the outside. Rooms are good. Customer service really good. I'd avoid the breakfast. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it.